Tell me how to drink a Coke when it's not cold. Oh, shit. Anyway, I'm back. Alex again. And thank you for coming back to our website and have a look at the list of products. Today, I'm going to show something very awesome. I love this thing very much. What is this thing? I'll show you. This is a mini fridge. Alright, needless to say, you know what I'm going to do next. And you know what this fridge is going to do, alright? Fridge ma, fridge. Need the drink cold lah. Okay, compressor is on. Is it on? No, it's not on, you can't. Okay, it's on. Good. Oh shit, I think I need a menu. Hey! What the hell? This is hot! Oh. Awesome. You know the song? You're hot and you're cold. Perfect, man! Alright. Okay, this is... Okay, this is cold. Oh, sweet. Where can you get this? Only on WHATAGADGET.com. Right? Okay. Guess how much you're selling this? $20 for a fridge. Where can you get this fridge? Tell me, where can you get this fridge? A fridge that can make your drink hot and cold. Don't like this color? I got another color. Black. This one is my favorite black color. $20, 2,000 points. Okay? 1 year warranty. 1 year warranty leh. Fridge 1 year warranty leh. Buy from me Alright, signing off. What a gadget for life. Hope to see you again.